Hello, everyone. My name is Olivia, and today I want to talk a little about myself and my life. To be honest, talking about myself is not always easy for me because I'm used to listening more than speaking. I'm a software engineer, and I work in the field of technology. My job is to write code and solve problems. I work on digital products that people use every day. I spend many hours in front of my computer. I write code, I study, and I think a lot. It can be challenging, but at the same time, it can be very satisfying when a problem is solved. I work for a technology company, and most of the time I work from home. My desk is in a small room near a window. In the mornings, I like to open the window and let fresh air in, especially before the day becomes busy and noisy. It helps me feel ready for the day. But my life is not only about work. I'm married, and my husband's name is Daniel. We have been married for 12 years. Daniel is someone I deeply trust. He listens carefully, asks questions, and always tries to understand me. We have two children, a daughter and a son. My daughter's name is Emma. She is 10 years old. She's curious and asks many questions. She loves reading, drawing, and asking all kinds of questions. Sometimes she asks questions that even I don't know the answers to. My son's name is Leo. He is 6 years old. He is full of energy, always moving, always talking. When Leo is awake, the house is never really quiet. Our life is busy, loud, and sometimes a little messy, but at the same time, it is warm and full of love. Most mornings start early. I wake up around 6:30. For a few minutes, the house is quiet. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. I don't talk. I don't think too much. I just enjoy the silence. Then the silence ends. Emma comes into the kitchen first. She looks sleepy and walks slowly. After her, Leo comes in, already talking and laughing. Daniel helps the kids get ready for school. I prepare breakfast and pack the lunch boxes. Some mornings are calm, some mornings are stressful, but we always manage. After the kids leave, I sit down at my desk and start working. I check my emails and look at my tasks for the day. Some days my work feels easy, some days it feels hard. On some days, everything goes smoothly, and I feel focused and productive. On other days, unexpected problems appear, and things take much longer than planned. When that happens, I need to be patient and take things step by step. But on difficult days, I feel tired very quickly. One evening, after a long and exhausting day, I was in the kitchen again. I had worked for many hours and I felt really tired. I was thinking about my work schedule for the next few weeks when suddenly something important came to my mind. I needed to talk to Daniel about my work. If I didn't talk to him right then, I might forget again. Daniel was standing near the counter making tea. I looked at him and said, "Daniel, do you have a minute? I need to talk to you about something."
Of course. What's going on?
Work has been really busy lately. Today was very long.
I could see that. You looked exhausted all day. Did something happen?
Yes, we had a serious software problem and nothing worked the way it should.
Oh no. Did you manage to fix it in the end?
Yes, but it took hours. I feel exhausted.
Sit down for a moment. Drink this fresh tea and relax. You don't need to do everything right now.
There's one more thing. In the next few weeks, I may need to work longer hours.
Okay. Does that worry you?
A little. I'm not sure how we will manage everything at home.
We'll handle it together, like we always do.
Thank you. I just needed to say my thoughts out loud.
I'm glad you told me.
After that, we stayed quiet for a while and drank our tea and enjoyed the calm atmosphere. Then we went to the living room where Emma was reading a book on the sofa and Leo was playing with his toys on the floor. I sat down and watched them, feeling a deep sense of gratitude for these simple moments. After that, I worked again for a short time, not too long. I try to stop working in the evenings before I get too tired. Before going to bed, I usually think about my day. I ask myself simple questions. What went well today? What was difficult? What can I do better tomorrow? I don't want to be perfect. I just want to do my best. Life is not always easy. It is often busy, noisy, and tiring, but it is also full of meaning, connection, and small moments that make everything worthwhile. My life is not extraordinary, but it is real, and it reflects the everyday experiences of many people who try to balance work, family, and personal well-being. I am a software engineer, a wife, and a mother. These roles shape my days and my choices. Some days are harder than others, but every day brings new opportunities to learn, to grow, and to understand myself a little better.